This is how you can download a Canva video in the highest possible resolution, like 4K easily. First, of course, you have to make sure that you're using a video with appropriate resolution. If you have a 1080p video and then you want to download it as a 4K video, you can do that, but it's not going to turn it to be more clear. It's not going to make the video sharper. It's going to have 4K resolution, yes, but it's not going to make the video better. So at the end of the day, it really depends on the input of the video itself. So remember, garbage in, garbage out. You cannot just cheat the system and then, you know, recording in 720p and then exporting the video as 4K. You can do that, but it's not going to make it real 4K. That's just a simple way to explain that. But if you want to make the video to be actually has much clarity, sharper, then you can use AI software out there. Like there are some AI video that will allow you to turn low resolution video into high resolution video. But if you are not interested to use that and you just want to use the feature in Canva, then well, there is an option to make sure that your export video will have the highest resolution. First, you have to click the share button, click download, and then here you can set the slide to maximum. Oh, by the way, set the file type to be video. Make sure to do that, otherwise you won't see this option. And you want to set the slider setting to maximum. So in this case, I have a video template with 1080p resolution by default, but if I set it to maximum, I'm going to get 4K Ultra HD for large screen settings. So this is one that I can get, and then you can click the download button. But keep in mind that the rendering process and also the download process will take incredibly long time compared to a regular 1080p and 720p resolution. But remember that every template in Canva may have different size for the video. For example, this is a video with 1080p resolution by default, but if you're using like a logo, for example, this is a logo, you will see that it won't have 4K, it will have a different size. It's called 2880 pixel. I don't know what is the terminology of this, but basically this is not quite 4K as far as I know, because 4K is 3800 something, and yeah, it's 3800 something, but maybe it's very close to 4K. So the template of the document will determine the resolution, the maximum resolution that you're going to get when you're exporting the document. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But yeah, that's essentially how you can make sure you can get the highest resolution possible when exporting a video in Canva. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.